here's how to fix World App loading problem. As you can see, there is not available option, which is saying that World App is not available to the country. Now click on the contact support option. As you can see, there is still a problem when it comes to loading. Now if you press the headset button for the support agent or live agent, still, it is on the loading option. Now what you need to do is go to the main dashboard of your phone and then make sure that you have already exit the World app. Now click on the gear icon or settings. Scroll down until you see there the apps. Afterwards, scroll down once again until you see there the World app application. And then click on it. After clicking on it, make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. You have to turn it off and on. Afterwards, go ahead and click on the World app once again and wait for a few seconds. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page, which means it's already working.